I gained almost 1,000 subscribers with just one video and by clicking on one YouTube setting. I know that it might sound too good to be true, but if it works for me, it will definitely work for you. But before we get started, I want to let you guys know that if you are recording a YouTube video, you want to position your camera in front of an open mirror. This is for those of you that don't know how to shoot a clear video, okay? And also you want to clean your camera, the back of your camera, clean it very well and film with the back of your camera. Don't film with the front camera, okay? So that you will have a better quality of your video. And also you want to invest in a good microphone, okay? In case you are using a phone that the speaker is not really okay, because you want your audience to hear what you are saying, you want your voice to project very well. You might actually have a valuable video packed with value, but if your voice is not audible, if your video is not clear, people might not watch for long, okay? So just a little camera like this, a little microphone like this to start. Now let us dive into my YouTube settings. Let me show you the video that got me almost 1,000 subscribers and what I did to get that. So this is the video that I'm going to be making use of as an example on today's video. This video has 12.6 thousand views in the last 12 days, and YouTube recommendation is 10,400 people, other fiction 922, channel page unknown, and others. So this is how my video gets traction. YouTube search is 116. That is people that search for this particular topic on YouTube. My video is actually ranking, and we have 27% audience retention. I don't want to get lost in the details. So this is the reach, impression, click-through rates of 178,000 human being. That is wow. And 5.4 click-through rates, which is above a normal typical click-through rate. This video has 784 watch hour, and for the audience, 493 returning audience, which is mind-blowing, because this topic is actually different from my normal content on YouTube, okay? And for the subscribers, I have 717, almost 1,000 subscribers. So I'm just going to be showing you guys the settings that I changed that got me this amount of subscribers, okay? So let us get started. So I'm just going to act like I want to upload a new video from scratch, okay, for the purpose of today's video. So this is the video that I want to upload. Now what I'm going to do is to click right here, and I want to save it to files. So what you want to do is to change the name, okay? Change the name if you want to save it to your phone file. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change it to the title that I intend to use on YouTube. So how to make money with DeepSeek. This is the title of the video on YouTube. I have not uploaded it yet, but the reason why I am changing it here, I'm going to be explaining later on today's video. So you just want to click on save. Now it has been saved to my file. The next thing you want to do is to go to youtubestudio.com, okay? So I'm just going to come over here. So I'm just going to click on youtube.com. Then here, view your channel, customize. It's currently loading. Let us hold on for a few sec. Okay, so you just want to click on create. Let me maximize it. Create right here, create, then upload video, select file, select the file, choose file. Don't upload through photo library, you want to choose files. This is the video that I just saved here, how to make money with DeepSeek. So I'm just going to click on that, open. Okay, so what you want to do, please pay attention to this particular settings. So what you want to do before you put your video on unlisted or whatever it is, you want to scroll down. When you are here, you want to scroll down, keep scrolling. Okay, as you can see, this says allow embedding. Let me maximize it. It says allow embedding, publish to subscription field and notify subscribers. So what you want to do is to turn this off. Turn it off. Now the reason why you want to turn this off is that because if you click on it, YouTube will first and foremost send your video to people that subscribe to your channel, and they might not even watch your video. When they don't watch, it will send a signal to YouTube algorithm that you are not doing something right, and they will stop pushing your content to people that really need to see it. So if you want to make this, when you are uploading your video through YouTubestudio.com, you want to make sure that before you set it to unlisted or before you private it, you want to unlist this one, you want to unclick it. Okay, please, so that YouTube will push your video to the potential, to people that actually need to watch your video. But if you are a YouTuber that you already have your subscribers that enjoy watching your content, then you don't need to off this. But as a new and as a small YouTuber, you need to off this first. Okay, so that is it on that settings. And also, let me quickly show you guys something. Your category, if you're in the entertainment category, entertainment, and so on and so forth, okay, make sure that your category in all your video, everything is set right. Academic system Nigeria, just because I'm in Nigeria, YouTube will be able to push my contents to Nigerians first, then to people in African countries, then to people in other foreign countries. If you want me to talk more on the YouTube settings, please drop a comment below. I am definitely, just drop yes. Okay, I will talk more on the YouTube setting. So this is what you should do. Okay, so one thing you want to do after you've done that is to unlist it, so that you go to your YouTube Studio app and you will add your keyword, your title, your tag, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to unlist it first so that I can add all those things. Let me schedule it. Today is 9, today is 10. If you are uploading to your YouTube Studio setting and you've not ever done that before, don't close it. Make sure that this uploading is on 100% before you close it. If you close it, it is going to start from the beginning again. Okay, you guys, so you can now leave the app once the upload is complete and it says processing will begin shortly. You can leave the app now, then you can leave the website, then go to your studio, which is the app on your phone, to optimize your keyword, your title, include your thumbnail, and so on and so forth. I wish you guys good luck. That brings us right into the end of today's video. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. I am always in my comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.